In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a custom suspension page for your domain. To begin, open the client area, select your hosting account, and locate the custom suspension page button. First, configure the Cloudflare worker that will show when your site is suspended. To do this, log into the Cloudflare dashboard, then navigate to Workers and Pages, Overview. Click the button to create a new worker, give your worker a descriptive name and deploy it. Select the Edit Code button. With the code editor open, copy the example code from the description below, then customize it to match your brand. When you're finished, click the Deploy button. Once the Cloudflare worker has been created, navigate back to your Cloudflare account and select the Profile button, then select API Tokens. Create a new token on your account, and give it the permissions shown on screen. Once the API key has been created, copy the token provided into the TinkerHost dashboard. You may wish to keep the Cloudflare tab with the token open just in case you need it later. Navigate back to the Cloudflare dashboard and select your domain name. You can find your Cloudflare zone and account keys in the sidebar. Copy them into the TinkerHost dashboard and submit the form. After the success message shows, your custom suspension page has been configured. If you need to change one of your Cloudflare keys, make sure to update them in the TinkerHost dashboard. Be sure to subscribe if you found this video helpful, and open a topic at community.tinkerhost.net if you have any questions.